The Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 Pro is the latest addition to Samsung's rugged smartphone lineup, designed for users who need durability, reliability, and cutting-edge features in their daily lives. With its robust build and modern specifications, this device stands out as an ideal companion for those who face demanding environments or simply prefer a tougher phone. The IP68 water and dust resistance rating ensures that it can handle exposure to the elements, while its MIL STD 810H certification demonstrates its ability to endure extreme conditions. From construction sites to adventurous hikes, the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro is built to stay strong wherever you go. At the heart of its display is a 6.6-inch FHD LCD screen that delivers vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're working on tasks, watching videos, or browsing through apps, the 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth and fluid visuals. This makes it not only durable but also enjoyable to use for entertainment and productivity alike. Performance-wise, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset powers this rugged smartphone, providing speed and efficiency for all your tasks. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, you can multitask effortlessly and store all your important files. The expandable memory option of up to 2 TB using a microSD card adds significant flexibility, making it suitable for users who need extra space for large files, photos, or videos. For photography and videography, the dual rear cameras on the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro offer excellent capabilities. The 50MP main sensor captures clear and detailed images, while the 8MP ultrawide lens is perfect for landscapes or group shots. On the front, the 13MP camera delivers high-quality selfies and smooth video call experiences, ensuring you stay connected with clarity. Power is another standout feature of this smartphone. The 4,350 mAh battery is designed to keep you going throughout the day, no matter where your adventures take you. The 15W wired charging support ensures you can quickly recharge and get back to what matters most. Whether you're traveling, working long hours, or exploring the outdoors, this battery has you covered. On the software front, the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro runs Android 15 paired with Samsung's One UI 7. This provides a seamless and user-friendly experience, enabling intuitive navigation and access to the latest features. With a focus on simplicity and performance, this combination keeps the phone efficient and easy to use for everyone, from tech enthusiasts to casual users. In addition to its rugged design and performance capabilities, the Galaxy XCover 7 Pro includes a range of convenient features. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor ensures secure and easy access to your device, while dual SIM support adds versatility for managing work and personal numbers. The single black color option gives the phone a sleek and professional look, blending style with substance. Priced at approximately €599 in Europe, the Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 Pro strikes a balance between rugged durability and modern technology. Its combination of toughness, advanced features, and affordability makes it an excellent choice for users who need a reliable device that can handle their lifestyle. Whether you're tackling tough challenges or seeking a dependable daily companion, this smartphone delivers on all fronts.